Hey everybody, what's going on? Today we're just building a suspension for the Murray Lawn General custom rebuild. Check this out. Alright, so all I'm really doing is I got some box tubing here and I'm going to cut it every 10 inches. I'm going to cut 4 of these. See, I got it marked. I'm going to cut 4 of these and I'm going to show you how I'm going to put them on the front of this here. Right there where that spring is. Alright, so I'm going to get this cut and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, we got all these box tubing pieces cut up. Let's go see how they're going to work. What I was thinking was to put these right here on the front because I don't have any other kind of metal right now to really use for this kind of thing. So I was going to put these on the front and just weld them fast. But first of all, I got to get these edges ground down so I can get them welded on here, and I'll show you what that looks like. Alright, well, we got all the metal bars cleaned up and ready to get welded on, so let's throw some sparks. Alright, well, so far what I've come up with is this. Yeah, I know my welds aren't the greatest, but now I've got an area to actually put these springs over here. Put these springs like this. And I don't know if I'm going to keep this in the front. If anybody has any ideas, leave them in the comments. Let me know. But this is all I got done for today. Next time, I would have it pretty much all finished and ready for the springs and the tires to go on. So keep updated. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.